and gentlemen, my name is Colin. I'm the Foreign Trade Department Director. Today, I would like to introduce EasyMed Aura medical opportunity to you. Our company was set up last year, 2025 in March. Why we have the great confidence to set up this company from last year, and we also have the great ambition. We want to be a very important role in the global market. That's because our CEO, Mr. Eric, he once set up 2 guidewire factories in the past. So we have great confidence and we have intensive experience to do a good job. Please follow me. I'm going to show you around our factory. This is the reception desk, and this is Miss Daisy. Hi, Daisy, say hello to our camera. Okay, we go ahead. Through this safety door, we can take a look at our clean room, injection molding workshop, and the assembly workshop. Now please follow me. On my right side, it is the open area. You can find we have got many we have got a great R&D team. Most of them has more than 10 years experience. So they exactly know how to serve our customer well. They have intensive experience in customization. You can have a look. And from there are some offices, including the CEO's office. Today, Mr. Eric is out of office. He fly to Shanghai to join the CMEF. He is the soul of our company because he is the great leader. He has intensive experience in building up an excellent factory. On my right side, you can see the meeting room number 1, number 2, and number 3. And through this window, you can see our assembly workshop. And today, we are working on some guide wire. If we produce the guide wire for the customer with whom we sign the NDA, they will use the curtain or blind to block the view. So to make sure nobody reveal the secret of our customer. So let's go ahead. And this is the second window of the same assembly workshop. You see, we have the very high standard facility. Last year, I went to Hong Kong to meet the ex-high officer from Terumo. After I show him the pictures and I show him the videos, he's very surprised. He said we have the really high standard facility to produce the good product. And when we move forward, this is the window for the second assembly workshop. This is another one. Now we are going to put inside more and more devices. All the devices are customized. They are well customized to fit the customer needs. And behind you, you can see an aging room. You can come inside and have a look. So we use 2 kinds of the aging machine to accelerate the aging process to make sure our guide wire they are always in good condition. Thank you. Okay. When I open this door, we are going to enter the clean room area. So we are supposed to use the shoe cover to avoid pollution. Okay, we can find the shoe cover in that room. Hi. Good morning. And I would also like to suggest that you also use the shoe cover to prevent the pollution, okay? Let me help you.
你看阳性这个喉咙，注意一点。好。
Okay, we keep moving. Let me see. As I remember, behind this door, inside the clean room, you will find the solution preparation workshop. You will also find the testing room and the coating room number 3. And this is another safety door. To my left, you can see there are altogether 2 continuous laboratory for R&D team. We have the simulation device inside, so they can conduct simulation clinical test inside the room. We are forbidden to enter, but through the window we can take a glance. Okay, we move forward. This is the clean room entry, and we have the very strict procedure to make sure the clean room is always in good condition. We have the shoe changing area. We also have the primary changing area and the secondary changing area. To my left side, you can see the production management office. And this is the maintenance workshop. This is a window, but it seems that we can see nothing from this window. Okay, I'm sorry. So this is our physical laboratory. Please come inside. We have got many kinds of the different testing machines to make sure all the gutter wire, they meet the requirement of the customers before they were sent to them. So I would like to introduce some device to you. This one is the image testing device. And this one is the universal testing machine. With this machine, we can test the items like the tensile experiment. We can also test the tensile strength of the gutter wire and the endurance of the coating. And let me see, this device is the medical needle stiffness tester. And this one is the tip load tester. The next one, let me show you. And this one is the automatic friction tester. So with our hydrophilic coating gutter wire, we have the very good friction coefficient. Even after 20 times of the test, the friction coefficient stays the same. For example, we have some customers from other countries. In their country, they don't have the good economic condition, so the gutter wire will be reused there. When they buy our gutter wire, they can reuse our gutter wire for many times to save more lives. This one is an electronic oven. Okay. The next one, I would like to introduce the precision instrument room preview. This time inside. Inside this room, we can find this this machine. They explained to me it's a little bit complicated. So the purpose of this testing machine is to test the organic material, because the organic material is the food for bacteria. So with this testing machine, we can make sure there is just quite a little or quite a few organic material left on the gutter wire, and by this way it will stop the reproduction of the bacteria. This machine is yes, I think it's a different machine. So complicated. Okay, we go to the next room. This one is a chemical laboratory. You can find this is inside the chemical testing room. This big machine is an evacuation cabinet, and the purpose of this one is to make sure the safety of the laboratory assistant. The pressure of the air inside is negative, so it will not allow the air from it to come outside. And you see, this machine is a permanent thermal water bath device. And okay, there are also some kinds of the other small devices I'm not quite familiar with. Okay. The next one is very important. Now I would like to introduce this microbiology laboratory to you. Firstly, let's come inside the laboratory's preparation room. Now we are standing in the middle of the preparation room, and when you go through this door, you can find there are two smaller laboratories inside. One is the microbial living room. The other one is the sterilization testing room. And this is another room, the sterilization room. Let's come inside and have a look. You can see that inside this room we have the refrigerator and the microbiological chemical incubator, and the last one is the fungus incubator. Altogether 3. Okay, let's go. And okay, I think this laboratory is the very important facilities inside our factory, and we have the very strict procedure to make sure the gutter wire meet the requirement, because we all know the gutter wire will go inside human body, especially the vessel. So we will always take good care of the patients. The next one. This one is the sample retention room. And on my right side, you can see a pre-assembly room. And here, you find a purified water room. So we offer the high quality purified water for the cleaning process. We have the pre-cleaning room. We also have the precision cleaning room to make sure the gutter wire they are well cleaned before they enter the clean room. And after this door, we find the air compressor room. You just come in and have a look. Oh. The temperature here is very high, I think more than 38 degrees. Okay, let's go. Very hot here. This is the second, no, I think this is the same one, I'm sorry. This is the same pre-assembly room. And to my left side, we can see the air conditioning room. So we have the very professional air conditioning to make sure the whole clean room is well under the right temperature. And this is another pre-assembly room. Come inside and have a look. Inside this room, we just use some connector to connect the different well-cut gutter wire. And then we dig them and glue them, make them a roll. And then it will be very convenient for the following processing. Okay, next one. The pre-washing room for the gutter wire. When we receive the processed gutter wire from our brother company, we will do the first time cleaning for the gutter wire. And then we will give the gutter wire a second precision cleaning. And then we will send the gutter wire to the extrusion molding workshop. Okay, the next one is the raw material warehouse. We put all kinds of the raw material inside. And this one is the secondary packing room. This one is the finished product warehouse. Okay, I cannot come inside because we signed NDA with some customers, so I cannot show you their logo, their package. I'm sorry for that. Okay, we just keep going. Now we come back to the starting point. So next time I will show you what's inside the clean room. This is the core area. So the point is we are very confident of our ability, and we hope that we will have the chance to work with some world-class factories, and we are sure we will contribute a lot to your business. Thank you very much for watching, and next time I will give you more videos. Thanks.